Energy is drawn from nature, then it's enhanced by intelligence and knowledge. But for maximum impact, energy, when converted to electricity, needs to be efficient. In Europe alone, more than 10,000 power transformers deliver electricity with minimal transmission loss. An efficiency increase of only 0.1% produces a gain of more than 1,000 megawatts. This is the challenge for Swiss quality, a challenge that energizes Tuboly-Astronic. Welcome to Tuboly-Astronic. Here you will find profound knowledge and many years of experience in designing and manufacturing machines for the distribution and power transformer industry. At our site in Doetinchem, Switzerland, development and production engineers, technical designers, software developers and machinists design and manufacture equipment to the highest technical standards. Tuboly-Astronic is a leading producer of quality machinery for efficient manufacturing technology in the transformer industry. Each machine is built according to the individual requirements of the customer. All over the world, production plants by Tuboly-Astronic are successful in operation. This selection illustrates the diversity of the product range. Tuboly-Astronic wire winding machines with strip insulation are pioneer developments in modern winding technology. Partially automated winding processes guarantee short winding times and highest quality. Flexible software enables rapid adjustment to any coil design. Tuboly-Astronic foil winding machines ensure efficient production of compact coils with best operator comfort. All important information is displayed on the touchscreen. Tuboly-Astronic, proven technology for maximum performance. Tuboly-Astronic, a higher level of automation, short winding times, and utmost quality. Tuboly-Astronic also stands for innovative product development, reliability, highest quality, respected deadlines, and comprehensive service. Every machine made by Tuboly-Astronic is first set up and thoroughly tested at our main site in Doetinchem. Upon successful pre-acceptance by the customer, the machine is carefully disassembled, packed, and prepared for dispatch. To buy or not to buy, the decision is clear, based on the high performance of outstanding products, perfection, reliability, efficiency. Tuboly-Astronic, transform